If you use Moomoo and you're earning dividends from your stocks or ETFs, you might be wondering how to automatically reinvest those dividends or how to manage streaming cash. The good news is, Moomoo makes it really simple once you know where to look. Let me walk you through it. First, open your Moomoo app and log in. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts tab. This is where you manage all your settings related to investments and cash. Now, look for the section called Dividend Reinvestment and Streaming Cash. On some versions of the app, this might be under Settings or Trading Preferences. Tap on it to open the options. You'll see two main features: Dividend Reinvestment and Streaming Cash. Let's start with Dividend Reinvestment. If you turn this on, any cash dividends you earn will automatically be used to buy more shares of the same stock or ETF. This is a great way to grow your holdings without having to manually reinvest every time. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Dividend Reinvestment and confirm your choice. Next is Streaming Cash. Streaming Cash is basically Moomoo's way of letting you manage how your idle cash is used. By enabling this option, your uninvested cash can be put into cash management products automatically, which may earn you some extra yield instead of just sitting idle. To turn it on, tap Streaming Cash, review the available options, and then confirm. Once both of these are set up, your account will handle dividends and idle cash automatically. Dividends will go back into buying more shares, and your unused cash will be working for you in the background, and that's it.
Now you've set up dividend reinvestment and streaming cash in Moomoo? This is a great way to make your portfolio
more efficient and let compounding do its work over time without extra effort from you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and share it with a friend who's investing on Moomoo.